Yo, what's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Man coming back to you again from the set. And today, bro, we got another SB dunk in the house. Yup, another freaking SB. Yeah, I'm sorry. You see the hat, right? I have a problem. We all know this. You have a problem too if you're watching this video. You buy too many damn sneakers. Do you need them? No, but it's your money. You do what you want to do with it, right? All right, we got that established. Let's get into this sneaker, man. What we got here today, bruh, is the Nike SB Dunk Low. Live, laugh, love, bruh. Or the other name that everybody's going around with this shoe is the Big Money Savings. I personally don't care which one we go by. I just know I like the sneaker, right? All right, enough of me just gabbing and doing what people do on the internet and just talking just to hear themselves talk. Let's get into the damn shoe. Here we have the Big Money Savings, AKA Live, Laugh, Love. Three things that I swear by. In order to live happy, you got to do things like this. You got to buy sneakers. I know that's crazy, right? Whatever. We hear about the shoes, right? Man, take a look at it. This is what we got, man. I was real iffy on this shoe initially when I seen it online because some of the pictures didn't really do it any justice. And I know the thing we always say is these look different in hand. And truth be told, these do look a lot different in hand, man. A lot of the pictures didn't really do it any justice. My camera might not even be doing it any justice, but I'm just here to let you know that this shoe screams creativity, right? And that is not a thing that is foreign to Nike SB Dunks. We all know they push the envelope on things as far as creativity, collabs, off the wall things they work on over there at the SB shop. Now, am I mad at this? Absolutely not, because you can get all the shoes you want, but if that portion of creativity and artistic values doesn't reflect you, then it's just gonna be just whatever at that point, right? Nike SB has been doing some amazing things when it comes to sneakers, right? And this one is nothing short of that. Now, a lot of people always associate a hype Nike SB Dunk as every year as in that category as one of the sneakers of the year, right? Always. But it's been like that for the last, I don't know, however many years. It's always one Nike SB or maybe two sometimes that's in the conversation of sneaker of the year. This ain't it. This is not it. But when it comes to creativity and material choices on this shoe, this one is up there, right? So we have the crocus sack type material there. I'll say that, but I know it's like hemp. I get it. Trust me. I know the materials, but when you look at it, it looks like crocus sack, bro. That's canvas, crocus sack, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is, right? So I'm good with that. That's material number one. Material number two. On your quarter panels here. Yep. We got some leather here, right? All right. Cool. That's two. The toe. On the tongue we got here, right? On the tongue we got this rib texture here, which that truth be told, that kind of threw me off of this shoe initially when I seen the pictures. The tongue just looked ginormous, and I get it. Nike SB Dunks always have the fat tongue, but from the pictures, it looked like it was way taller than it normally is, and it stood out the shoe kind of looking like that. No. That ain't it. We get that profile right there. That gets you right? That's number three. Number four, the interior. Yeah. All that padded material there, that's another material choice. And number four, right above the swoosh here, we have another layer of ribbed materials there, right? Okay, we're gonna keep going. Yeah, right there, right above the swoosh in that panel right here, that reminds you of those frames that you normally see when you kick around in Michael's, Home Goods, the store at home. Where else do we see this? Ross, Marshalls, right? And that is an ode to this shoe, right? That's why they gave it the Live, Laugh, Love theme, because this sneaker is a homage, so to speak, to those I wouldn't say thrift, I just say home decor stores, right? This is the kind of stuff that you would see with the antique look you have in this shoe. That's where they get this from. And last but not least, when we talk about textures, we talk about the cracked swoosh on this shoe. Yeah, so you got a lot of different material choices in this shoe, and that just screams level of detail, attention to detail, and creativity. Something that Nike SB always comes through with when they come through with a fire sneaker, right? A lot of people weren't really going for these. Not sure why. I don't really care, but I knew I had to get them in hand at least to take a look at them and see if I was really going to like them. And I'm a victim of my own criticism, because I always talk about people like, oh, these look different in hand. And these, in fact, do look different in hand. They come with 3 sets of laces. They come with the tan or the hemp color. They come with these. And last but not least, you get this burgundy or burnt orange type or sienna type color. I know I'm digging deep in the crayon box right here. And that matches the Nike that seems to be stitched on the back here, which kind of reminds you of those said signs of the Live, Laugh, Love theme. See, of course, they keep it going all the way around, right? The outsole on this sneaker is different too. When you take a look at that, it's not your traditional outsole because it has that speckled print in there. It's like kind of like their recycled or move to zero type initiative, where Nike comes up and they recycle these soles, so you have those particles in there. And again, man, this shoe is like straight, it's already aged. They didn't go with the aged colors. Yes, you have the aged midsole right here on the sail colorway there. That's fine. That's the only part of this shoe that they intentionally like tried to make look like, for whatever reason, this shoe looks aged. It has that patina look, and people, when you talk about antiques, you talk about patina. This shoe already kind of has that patina look with the color here, the cracked swoosh, and the sack-like croaker sack, pause, material here on the toe box, right? I know I said a whole lot to say I actually like this shoe. You probably won't see a lot of people rocking these. You probably will, because they're Nike SB fans are everywhere, right? And people who like to follow hype, they've jumped on the train too. And I'm one of them. I just started, and let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is January. This is my 7th pair of Nike SBs. I have a problem. It's cool. I have a problem. I know I have a problem. It's fine. Don't worry about it. That's why I wear the materials that I wear, because I am a sneakerholic. I'm letting you know right off top. So, yeah. Oh, wait. If you haven't seen this already, right? Oh, wait. Hit that like and subscribe button, man, so you can check your boy out when I drop more videos here on the set, so you can become a part of the set crew. Let's talk about these, man. These little Easter eggs on these shoes are crazy, bro. Like, we have that one inside, which says save now, 58% off. You know Nike ain't giving us 58% off. But it's cool, though, because it looks like one of those signs at one of those discount stores or home goods stores. Yeah. This one, on the other hand, in the on the right shoe, you have this long, like, receipt, like, tag on the interior of the shoe, right? And of course, you see the Big Money Savings right there. That's where the name Big Money Savings comes from when you talk about these shoes. Will I keep that inside the shoe? Probably not. I want to keep it in there. I'm gonna wear my shoe. I'm gonna wear the shoe and see what it feels like on the inside, because I kind of want to cut it. It's like a pillow tag, bro. It's the same material as a pillow tag, the one that says "do not cut," and people cut it anyway. Yeah, whatever. It's a joke, whatever. But this is that same material here. So I want to see how it feels on foot, whether it's going to annoy the hell out of me or whether I'm just going to cut it and be done with it. Because in the end, it's just shoes, man. So said all that to say, I like them. I'm going to rock them. Yeah, going on vacation at the end of the month. These definitely going to be in the rotation because of the colorway here. It's going to be easy to find something to rock with these, man. Yeah. Big money savings, bro. I ain't saving no money, but I like the theme they went with. So I'm gonna get on out of here, man. I'm your boy, Money Matt. As always, from the set, I'm gonna get on out of here, bro, and go do something important in my life. Hit that like, subscribe button on your way out, bro. Check your boy out, man. Peace.